Okay, to make a book page, we're going to start with a square piece of paper. The papers we used were 8" by 8", but if they're smaller, that's okay. We're going to make sure that we take, when we do this, and we're going to make sure that our crisp, so we have one corner to corner. And then we're going to have it, fold it in half that way. And fold it in half this way. So now I have 3 lines. I have one here, and one here. I flip it over so it domes. And then I put my finger in the middle, and I bring up my 2 corners that have creases in them. So that's how that works. Now, then I'm going to bring up this side. And when I do, this line and this line that we've already creased just folds flat. Same thing. I'm going to bring up, keep those in the middle, and I'm going to bring my other corner up. And it looks like that. Now, to glue them, all I'm going to do is, if these are my pages, I'm going to glue this page, this flat piece, to this flat piece.